Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a document in Google Docs using PC and mobile. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to delete a document in Google Docs using PC. Open any browser on your computer. Visit the official site of Gmail. Click on the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials and sign in to your Gmail. After logging into your Gmail, click on the All Apps icon available on the right top. Then the list will open. Scroll down to find the Google Docs. Click on it. And it will take you to the Google Docs application. There, you will find all the available documents. Choose the document that you want to delete, and click on the three dots. An options list will open. Click on the Remove option. Then it asks for confirmation. Click on Move to Trash to confirm your deletion. That's it, document has been deleted from Google Docs. How to delete a document in Google Docs using mobile application. Launch the Google Docs application on your mobile. If you don't have Google Docs application on your mobile, open Play Store and search for Google Docs. Tap on Install. After the completion of installation process, tap on Open. Then the Google Docs application will be launched. There you will find all the available documents. Choose the document that you want to delete, and tap on the three dots. Then an options list will pop up. Scroll to the bottom of that list, and there you will find the Remove option. Tap on it. And it asks for confirmation. Tap on Move to Trash to confirm. That's it, the document is deleted from Google Docs. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.